Did you know that AI can now create professional quality videos in minutes? No expensive software, no complex editing skills, just a few clicks and you are done. Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on how to use Videogen AI to create stunning videos effortlessly. Let's dive in. To get started, first go to your preferred web browser and type Videogen AI in the search bar. Now, select the first result that you get. In this opened interface, you will find two options saying login and sign up. Click on the sign up. Here you can use two options to login. You can use your Google account or email. Here I am using my Google account. Now choose your preferred Google account. Now choose options like what will you use Videogen for and enter your work details. Then enter your main purpose and how often does you create your video. After selecting these, you have fully accessed Videogen account. Let's explore the dashboard first. Here you can see options saying generate a video, home, media, brand kit, API, AI artist and more. Let's start with making AI generated videos. Click on the generate a video option. Now enter your preferred topic and the AI will generate a prompt for you. Then click on generate video. Here, this website will guide you to use its interface. On the left side, you can see the caption of the video. You can add in some words and also you can delete a few from there. On the right side, you can edit the background clips. And by clicking on the captions, you can change the fonts and the styles of the captions. Rather than that, all the interface looks like a traditional video editor. To export and share, click on the share icon. Now select your preferred resolution and click on export video. Although this feature is for pro and business users. And that's it. You have now learned how to use Videogen AI to create stunning videos in just a few minutes. I guess now you can make the most out of it. I wish you happy creating. If you like our video and find it helpful, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.